In this video, we will look at some of the best handheld car vacuum cleaner on AliExpress. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which is in your budget range. Okay, so let's get started. Number 5 SCUK 98000 PA Car Vacuum Cleaner. Introducing the SCUK 98000 PA Car Vacuum Cleaner, a mini yet powerful cleaning machine designed for a variety of tasks. This handheld device is ideal for cleaning cars, vacuuming, blowing dust, and even inflating balloons. Available in two versions, the basic and the upgraded, it caters to different needs and preferences. Powerful suction. The upgraded version boasts a vacuum degree of 98,000 PA, making it highly effective at picking up dirt and debris. Brushless motor. The upgraded model features a new brushless motor, offering better performance and longevity. Low noise operation. Both versions operate at a noise level of less than or equal to 52 dB, ensuring a quiet cleaning experience. Type-C charging. Convenient and fast charging with a Type-C charging line. Number 4 Baseus A3 15,000 Pascals Car Vacuum Cleaner. Introducing the Baseus A3 15,000 Pascals Car Vacuum Cleaner, a mini yet powerful wireless portable vacuum cleaner designed for vehicle cleaning. With its impressive suction power, built-in LED light, and advanced features, this cleaner is perfect for maintaining a spotless car interior. 15,000 Pascals large suction. Equipped with an 80,000 RPM brushless motor, the Baseus A3 delivers powerful suction to remove soot, hair, and residues thoroughly. Built-in LED light provides illumination for dark corners and gaps, ensuring no spot is missed. Wireless and portable. Offers the convenience of cordless cleaning with a long battery life of up to 45 minutes. 2-in-1 functionality. Includes a suction nozzle and blowing tube, making it versatile for different cleaning needs. Low noise operation. Operates at a noise level lower than 75 dB, providing a quieter cleaning experience. Advanced HEPA filter. Filters 99.7% of fine particles, ensuring cleaner air and better performance. High-grade metal material. Ensures durability and a high-end texture. Indicator light and fast charging. Features a power indicator light and supports QC 3.0 fast charging technology. Cordless use and high suction force. The Baseus A3 is powered by a high-performance 80,000 RPM brushless motor, eliminating the weakness common in cordless vacuum cleaners. Number 3 Suetu Car Vacuum Cleaner. Introducing the Suetu Car Vacuum Cleaner, a 4-in-1 wireless handheld device designed for versatile cleaning. This powerful, portable, and cordless cleaner is ideal for cars and homes alike, featuring intelligent AI technology, strong suction power, and multifunctional capabilities. Intelligent AI Variable Frequency Motor. This vacuum cleaner is equipped with an AI-controlled motor that optimizes speed for optimal suction and endurance, ensuring efficient and effective cleaning. Dual Filtration System. The dual filtration system captures 99.9% of dust, PM2.5, and microbiota, providing a cleaner and healthier environment. Ultra-durable battery. The vacuum boasts a long-lasting battery life, ensuring consistent performance and extended use. Brushless motor with 200% increased suction. Number 2 CNRR Mini Car Vacuum Cleaner. Introducing the CNRR Mini Car Vacuum Cleaner, a wireless handheld device designed for powerful and versatile cleaning. This portable cleaner is ideal for cars and home appliances, boasting advanced features like a brushless motor, high suction power, and intelligent safety functions. Powerful suction. The vacuum delivers an impressive 15,000 PA suction power with a rated speed of 65500 RPM, thanks to its new upgraded brushless motor. Wireless and portable. Compact and lightweight. Weighing only 580 g, it is easy to carry and use anywhere. Multifunctional. Suitable for various tasks, including cleaning cars, vacuuming, blowing dust, and inflating balloons. Smart Child Lock Function. Number 1 Baseus AP02 Wireless Car Vacuum Cleaner. Introducing the Baseus AP02 Wireless Car Vacuum Cleaner, a powerful and portable solution designed for pet hair and various cleaning needs. This cordless vacuum features a motorized roller brush, multiple brush head accessories, and an LED light. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you like this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like. And if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel.